Hey guys, this is Brent Buell with Keller Williams and SASF Realtors, and I want to welcome you to our new listing. This is 7512 Lantern Northeast in the Northeast Heights, close to the golf course and walking trails. Two-story townhome, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, just over 2,000 square feet. Come take a tour with me. Hey guys, thanks again for joining us on this tour of 7512 Lantern Northeast. And check out this cool deck right off the main suite right before summertime. If you have any questions about this house or any other house, please feel free to give me a call, 505-930-1340. And don't forget, we're not just selling homes, we're selling New Mexico.